Google generates over $100 billion through paid advertising per year. Facebook generates over $40 billion a year in revenue through paid advertising. Hey everyone, I'm Neil Patel, and today I'm going to share with you my #1 organic hack. In other words, don't use paid advertising. Check out this organic hack. Before we get started, make sure you subscribe to this channel. That way when I release my next marketing video, you'll get notified. Now, I have a question for you. How many of you leverage paid advertising? If you spend money on Google AdWords or Facebook ads or Taboola, Outbrain, or any of those sites, just leave a comment below with yes. If you don't, leave a comment with no. Here's the thing about paid advertising. Yeah, it generates a ROI, and if it's positive for you, you should be doing it. But the majority of the traffic doesn't go to the paid listings. And I'm gonna show you one hack that's how I get the majority of my organic traffic. It works really well. I just ask, don't replicate it in the online marketing vertical because I don't want more competitors. So here's what I do. You got a website, you got a blog, you're writing content, you're already ranking for something other than your brand name. If you don't know what you rank for, go log into Google Search Console. Go into Google Search Console, it'll show you all the terms that you're ranking for. Look for the most popular terms. Now that you've seen the terms that you're ranking for, look to see what page it's going to. Now that you know what page it's going to, you're like, all right, this page is generating all these visitors from this one keyword. Let's say you rank for the term digital marketing like I do. You want to take that phrase, head over to Ubersuggest, put that keyword into Ubersuggest. Ubersuggest will show you all the long tail variations of that keyword. These long tail key variations are other variations of it, like digital marketing jobs, digital marketing consultants, whatever they may be, but they're longer tail phrases of the head term digital marketing. You want to take those terms, like digital marketing jobs, digital marketing tips, and see which ones are relevant to the article or the page that's already ranking. Then you want to go into that page, let's say for me it's digital marketing, and you want to end up rewriting the content to be more detailed to include the long tail phrases that you haven't already included. What you'll find is Ubersuggest shows you the most popular terms that are related to that head term. They're just longer variations. And it even lists them out in order based on popularity. If you take them and integrate them into your content, you'll find that within 30 to 60 days at the latest, you'll also start ranking for all those long tail phrases. Now, the trick with this isn't to just take those words like digital marketing tips and just shoving them in your content everywhere. Because if you spam, it creates a terrible experience and people are going to bounce back. Instead, you need to adjust your content. So my digital marketing guide that ranks for digital marketing is roughly or around 10,000 words. Because I kept going in, taking all these keywords and adjusting that content to not just be around digital marketing, but also all the other long tail variations that are around those phrases, like digital marketing tips, digital marketing consultant. And by going in depth on all of the ones that are relevant, because you still want the article to flow, you'll notice that you'll quickly rank. But I've also done experiments just shoving in those long tail phrases. It doesn't work if you don't adjust your content. Now that you've adjusted your content, make sure you take some of the most popular long tail phrases and put them in your title tag and meta description. When you do a Google search, the title is a title tag. That sentence description under that is a meta description. By including those keywords or some of them within your title tag and meta description, you'll also find that it is easier and faster to rank for it. Now, the last thing I want you to do is, when you're updating your article, feel free to link out to other sites to cite your sources or that could be relevant and benefit your audience. Because when you're linking out to other people, it makes them flattered and happy. And if it's good for your audience, it also makes their life better as well. So let's say I link out to a guy named John, and he has an amazing online marketing blog. I'll notify him. I'll be like, hey John, I have to say I'm a huge fan of your work on onlinemarketingblog.com. So much so that I even linked out to you my latest post. You can check it out here. Cheers, Neil Patel. P.S. If you share the post, it'll make my day. And you'll find a lot more people will share your content on Facebook and Twitter. This will get it more visibility, and some of those people will then even link back to you, which will boost your rankings for the main terms as well as all those secondary terms. That's it. Just doing that one little hack will get you so much more organic traffic. I did it for my digital marketing guide. I went from over 9,000 visitors a month, and now when I did that, I went to 17,000 visitors just by adding in more long tail phrases. It works that well. If you need help growing your traffic, feel free to check out my agency, Neil Patel Digital. Of course, if you have any questions, leave a comment below and I'll answer it. If you liked the video, appreciate that. And of course, share it with your friends, tell them about it. Thank you for watching.